George S. from the Poconos. Is IWO and the ARK funds, are IWO and the ARK funds bearish trend? Does Bitcoin need to make a high post-call consolidation to keep that part of the market afloat?
Well, those are two completely different questions. I mean, is that, how high is that question ranked?
That is the number 4 question.
Yeah, so ARK1, MTUM as a factor exposure is bearish from a trade perspective, but positive from a trend perspective. So you get trades and trends, all right? So momentum changes, right? So the names that are in the momentum basket, when ARK was at its peak, all their names were in the top 5 to 10 of the momentum basket, or a lot of baskets that look like that. Tesla being the number 1 holding. Tesla and ARK currently, if you go to ARKK, and Tesla, which you have on your daily pin sheet, are currently bearish from both a trade and trend perspective. So, you know, that's great. If you want to be short those things, that's great. Those are negative. Okay, so what gets interesting is that people get, you know, once CNBC is talking about this one all the time, notice they're not talking about Tesla all the time because they got many, many people that are still long that stock. But talking about that is more like pop culture. That's like the thing to talk about after the move. Again, I have no idea what's going to happen to ARK. It doesn't matter to me. All that matters are these 2 signals. It's bearish. It's no comment on Cathie Wood, her hairstyles, or otherwise. Right? I'll let people comment on mine. It's negative on those factors. That's question number 1. Question number 2, Bitcoin, which has nothing to do with that. Bitcoin is bullish trade and trend. Actually, let's just put it in the same framework. Every single day when I go through what I go through, let's put this puppy in Yale blue. So when I look at Bitcoin, or actually even Block, which actually signaled immediate-term trade oversold yesterday. You know, these 2 things are bullish from a trade and trend perspective. Okay. These have nothing to do with ARK, right? So you might think they do, but they don't. From a quantitative perspective, I literally, when I look at my screen, all I see is this. There aren't words, there aren't stories about stocks. It's just, does that look like a battery to you? Does this look like a negative sign? Does this look like a negative positive sign? Let's just make this positive so that you get the point. That's all I care about. That's it. You know, I don't sit there and have to rationalize, you know, Cathie Wood against Bitcoin. They have nothing to do with each other. I don't think the question implied that they did, but I'm just trying to.
No, it's really 2 questions.